Before I call my next guest, can I request everybody to please listen in silence? That is the request, that is the respect we have to give to a person who is there. I now call Mavish. Mavish, our most prominent and active cyclist. I think she joined a few months back and cycling was her dream. So I'll call her to tell about herself.
I'm Mavish, a proud mom, full-time working woman. When I start cycling, I was told that I could not do so because it was neglecting my family or it will affect my work. And the most of all is like it is something which is against the social norms and rules. But my passion is bigger than this, so I continued. And then I won races back to back. And the people who were like, kya kar rahi ho, road pe cycle chala rahi ho, they started cheering me up. So I'm living my childhood dream 2 decades later. So I think in the world of today, the most important thing is to build women, support them in their endeavors, and let them seek their passion. This is very important. So thank you for all the enthusiasm, for the determination to make this event for the girls, and thank you for all the girls who are here and beyond. Thank you. Thank you, especially thanks for the Happy Leg, for the CDL, Pakistan, especially for the CDL and Faisal Bhai and Yusuf Bhai, who are always are the biggest support for me in my journey. Thank you so much. Happy Women's Day.